rescue teams are searching for at least 70 people missing along Nepal's Himalayan hiking routes, after 9 bodies were recovered on Wednesday. There are fears that the final death toll will be much higher. Many trekkers on the circuit remain out of contact. The highest number of deaths, which included foreign climbers, happened when a blizzard hit a point on the Annapurna Circuit. This is one of the deadliest spells of weather ever seen in the region. Severe rain and snowstorms in Nepal appear to have been triggered by Cyclone Hudhud in neighbouring India. The bad weather hit a resting place 4,500 meters, 14,800 feet, above sea level, not far below the circuit's highest point, the Thorung La Pass. The nationalities of those killed included Nepalese, Israeli and Polish climbers, but there have been conflicting reports about the exact number of those who died. Earlier reports suggested up to 29 people could have perished at various points along the trail in blizzards and avalanches. Officials point out this is a popular trekking season and there were likely to have been many climbers on the passes. 4 Canadians and 1 Indian are among those reported missing, and police say they will resume their search for that party on Thursday. 2 military helicopters were sent from the capital Kathmandu to assist the rescue operation on Wednesday, and 9 people were rescued alive overnight. One survivor described to BBC Nepali the horror of seeing corpses on the journey back after the blizzard struck. Correspondents say this has not been good a year for Nepal's trekking and mountaineering industry after a deadly avalanche on Mount Everest in April killed 16 Sherpas and resulted in a massive reduction of expeditions to the world's highest peak. The latest disaster comes during the peak trekking period. Thousands of tourists head to Nepal in October, many to enjoy its high-altitude mountain passes and pristine beauty. But this freak-heavy snowfall caught the trekkers off guard. Nepal's high peaks attract some of the world's best climbers, but trekking is generally safe and appeals to masses of ordinary outdoor enthusiasts.